So let me introduce our group together. They're not a panel, we're just a connection group. David Yamada is a tenured professor of law and director of the New Workplace Institute at Suffolk University Law School in Boston, and an internationally recognized authority on workplace bullying and host of the popular blog, Minding the Workplace. And by the way, it is my favorite blog, David. It's really a powerful blog. He is on the board of directors for Human Dignity and Humiliation Studies and the board of trustees for Western Institute of Social Research. And in his spare time, he's a wonderful singer. We might get a treat from him singing wise later on during our workshop. But David, just wave. Then John Bilorusky is co-founder of the Western Institute of Social Research in Berkeley, California. For 45 years, he's guided hundreds of students and consulted with dozens of community agencies. John has 2 forthcoming books. I hope we'll hear about those. He's an academic leader who deeply understands the power of education to strengthen dignity of the students he works with and advance social justice in the world. So John, please wave. Hello to you. Rosa Reinikainen is a learning support instructor at Weiser. She is the coordinator of student services. She's a licensed marriage and family therapist, as well as a longtime advocate and activist for equality. She has extensive experiences addressing trauma, including cultural and collective trauma. And Rosa blazed her way through our Dignity Studies course at Weiser's. She was like on fire. We were so amazed. And then she took that learning and started larger conversations with people. And we were just in awe of that. So welcome, Rosa. Please wave your hand. And then finally, Maggie O'Neill. Maggie, it's so good to be with you again. Maggie has been with the network for a long time. She is a professor of sociology and the head of the Department of Sociology and Criminology at University College Cork in Ireland. She is a member of the Center for the Study of the Moral Foundations of Economy and Society, and she's on the board of directors for Human Dignity and Humiliation Studies. She is an interdisciplinary scholar who conducts participatory action research and has a long history of working with artists and community groups to conduct art-based research, working together to create changes that keep social justice at the core of their research. She is a role model for so many of us. So wave your hand, Maggie. Thank you.